ASUS Transformer Pad looks just like a small Windows laptop, until you power it up. That's when you discover it runs the KitKat version of Google's Android operating system. Unless you just love on-screen keyboards, you'll probably buy a keyboard to go with whichever tablet you buy. This Transformer Pad comes with a keyboard in the box, and it docks securely to the display to provide a convenient stand for reading, surfing the web, or creating content. The Chrome browser is pre-installed, but we found that many of our favorite sites loaded slowly or defaulted to their mobile versions. You can force the browser to load the correct website using bookmarks, but there's no easy fix for their loading so slowly. The combination of tablet and keyboard weighs just 2.4 pounds, which is a good carrying weight for a 10-inch laptop. When you want just a tablet, hold down the release button on the dock and lift the display away. Now you'll have to use the Transformer Pad's on-screen keyboard, and unfortunately we found it to be dreadful to type on. The Transformer Pad has a vivacious display with a wide range of brightness levels. It's also very responsive, whether you're using it as a tablet or a notebook PC. The Intel Atom processor loads applications quickly and switches between them without a hint of hesitation. The usual keyboard shortcuts don't seem to work, so you need to reach up and touch the screen to scroll. Some other productivity apps work even less well in tablet mode. The bottom line is that keyboard or not, this Transformer Pad works much better as an entertainment device than a productivity tool. If you're looking for an easy-on-the-eyes tablet for playing Android games, watching movies, and performing lighter productivity tasks, such as email, this is a good device for the job.